Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 9 Data Handling, exercise 9.1. The question is given that in a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in using tally marks. So that here you will be write the first question marks. Here you will write tally marks, and then here you will write number of students. Number of students, and then table. So that first is marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will draw box like this. That is a total. Total students are 40. So here must become 40. Okay. Now you will be count that one how many time has come here? That is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, you will be count the 2. How many time has come? 2 is here. You will be see that 1 is coming only 2 time, and then 2 is coming 3 time. 3 is coming again 3 time. 4 is coming 7 time. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 5 is coming that 6 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 6 is coming 7 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 7 is coming, that is 5 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 is coming, that 4 time. 2, 3, 4. And then 9 is coming 3 time. 1, 2, 3. That here you write 2, then 3, then count by 3, then count by 7, then count by 6, then count by 7, then count by 5, then 4, and then 3. The sum of these will be must come here. And then A part is that now. A is saying find how many students obtain marks equal or more than 12. So that A part, that is 12 student. These student marks obtain 12 marks. B part is saying how many students obtain marks below 4? 8. 8 student below 4. 1, 2, 3. These 3. Third question that like this you will be draw. Catherine throw a dice 40 times to notate the number appear each time as so is there. So that will be here you will be write number, and then tally marks, and then how many time that will be. And then Catherine throw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that total number is there only 6. And then you will be count that 1 how many time has come? 1. That's the second question, not a third question. This is the second. Oh sorry, third question is that. Yes, third is that. Second we will see later. And then 1 is throw. How many time come has 1? That is by the counting, that is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2 6 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 3 5 time, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 4 time, 1 2 3 4, and then 5 11 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11, and then 6 7 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 time, and then total will be also here. The total must become 40, that is 7 6 5 4 11 7. The sum of these must become here. And then A part is the minimum number of time whose come 4, so that A 4. And then second question, the maximum number of time that has come, this one 11 time, 5 has come 11 time, so that 5. And then find those numbers that appear an equal number of time, 1 and 6. See that, sorry, this is a 7, 1 and 6, 1 and 6, these two are appearing same time. Okay. And then next, fourth question. So second we will see that, because second left here. So second is that is following the choice of seat of 30 student, so that we will write seat, and then telemarks, and then number of students, so that sweet is laddu, then barfi, then jalebi, and then rasgulla, and then total. And then total, you know that is given 30, so that laddu, how many times has come laddu? That is 11 time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then barfi has come only 3 time, and then jalebi has 7 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then rasgulla has that 9 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then you will write 11 3 7 9, that is a 30. And then arrange the name of the sweet in the using telemarks, that is a part. And then B part is that which sweet prepared by the most of the student, laddu prepare the most student. And then question number 4, that following the pictograph, so the number of tractor in figure 5 villages. One tractor diagram is equal to one tractor. One diagram is equal to one tractor. So we will see here question number 1, that which village has minimum number of tractor? D village. Second question, which village has maximum number of tractor? That is C, because this graph is longer and D graph is smaller. How many more tractor C as compared to B? 3, because 3 you can count the C and B tractor. What is the total number of tractor in all villages? That is 22. That is, we can count that Not that is a 28, not 22. This is a 28. Question number 5. 5 that the bar graph of girls student in each of the class co-education middle school in depicted by the pictograph. So one diagram is equal to 4 girls. One diagram is equal to 4 girls. So that A part is that which class has the minimum number of girls, that is that 8th class. 8th class. B part is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5th? No, that's a wrong. C part, how many girls are there in class 7? First of all, you will be count that diagram. How many? 7. 7, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. That is 12. Sixth question. The cell of an electric bulb on different day of a week in so below. One diagram is equal to, one picture is equal to 2 bulb. So that first question is that how many bulb were sold on Friday? By the diagram, that is 14. B, on which day were minimum number of bulbs sold? Tuesday. That is Sunday. Minimum bulb is Sunday. C, on which of the day same number of bulbs sold? Wednesday and Thursday. C, we will see here. Wednesday day and that is Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday. We can see again Wednesday and Thursday, that is a same bulb, that Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday and on which of the day same number of bulbs sold? Wednesday and Thursday, write it. On which day the minimum number of bulbs sold? Same that D part, that Wednesday and Thursday. If one big cartoon can be hold 90 bulb, how many cartoon bar needed for the given? So that E part, total bulb are there, that will be, that is we will count that number 1 2 3 4 5 6, that will be 10 cartoon will be needed for total bulbs. Seventh question, that in a village 6 fruit merchants sold for the following number of fruit basket in a particular season, that is given. So which merchant sold maximum number of basket? A part, that is Martin, because this diagram is longer than other. How many fruit basket were sold by Anwar? 700, because 7 is there and one diagram is equal to 100. C, the merchant who has sold 6 or more number of basket are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? Yes, that is Anwar, and then that is Martin also, and then Ranjit Singh also. And then next exercise 9.2, that will be that total number of prepare the, yes, 5 blazes are given here. We will prepare a, that is pictograph. Pictograph, that is first question. So that you will draw here like this. That will be village. Here we write village A, village B, village C, that village D, village E, and then here you will be draw how many are there, so that one diagram is equal to 10 animal. One diagram is equal to 10 animal. Here we will write one diagram is equal to 10 animals. So that here is given first 80, so that 8 diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And village B, that is given 120, so 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Village C 90, so 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. D 40, it means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then village E 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then question number 2. Oh, sorry, a part is also given here. A part, that how many symbol represent animal of village E, that is 6. Village E1, village E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then B, which village the maximum number of animal? B. And then which village has more animal? Village A or village C? Village C. Village C has more animal. And then second, also we'll prepare that like this also. 1996, 1998, 2000, 2002, and then 2004. 2004. And then you will be see number of bulb, that is one diagram is equal to, like this diagram we will draw, is equal to 100, is equal to 100 students. So that here 1996 400 is given there, so we will draw only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1998 535, so first we will draw 5, and then 1/2. 1/2 means incomplete. 2472, so 4, first of all draw 4, and then 1/2, incomplete. 2002 600, so 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2004, 623. So first of all 6, 4, 5, 6, and then one more half. And then question: how many symbols represent total number of student in 2002? That is 6 for A. That A 6. How many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? 1998. 5 and half. 5 and half. 5 and half or 5 and incomplete. B part, that prepare another pictograph of the student using another symbol, each representing 50 student. So for one symbol you will be right here 50 student. So here you will be draw double. Here you will be also double. Here you will be also double pictograph you will be draw. Okay.